Hey, welcome to the Wellness and Aging Podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us: managing chronic conditions as we age. It can be tough to deal with, but we're here to provide some tips and strategies to make it easier. Let's start with arthritis. It's something that affects many older adults, including my own grandmother. She used to struggle with the pain and stiffness, but once she started incorporating regular exercise into her routine, she felt a huge improvement. So, one tip we recommend is to try out low-impact activities like walking, yoga, or swimming. Even small movements can help reduce pain and improve joint mobility. And of course, eating a healthy diet with plenty of fruits and veggies can also make a big difference. Oh, and don't forget to stay hydrated, it's important for healthy joints. As always, it's important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized management plan. Next up, let's talk about diabetes. It can be tough to manage, but there are plenty of ways to make it easier. One thing that's worked well for a friend of mine is incorporating more fiber-rich foods into her diet. Things like whole grains, legumes, and fruits can help regulate blood sugar levels. And of course, regular exercise is key. Even a short walk after meals can help lower blood sugar. Plus, keeping track of your levels can help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. But hey, don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up every now and then. Making small changes can still have a big impact. And as always, working with your healthcare provider is crucial. Lastly, let's talk about heart disease. It's a scary thing to think about, but there are plenty of ways to reduce your risk. One thing I've found helpful is incorporating stress management techniques into my daily routine, like meditation or deep breathing. Another tip is to try out heart-healthy foods like lean proteins, whole grains, and lots of colorful fruits and veggies. And of course, regular exercise is key. It can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Again, it's important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized management plan. Of course, prevention is always the best approach. Some simple steps you can take include maintaining a healthy weight, getting regular exercise, avoiding smoking, and managing stress. It can be tough to make changes, but just remember it's an ongoing process. And there are plenty of resources out there to help you along the way, like support groups or websites. For example, the Arthritis Foundation provides resources and support for individuals with arthritis, while the American Diabetes Association offers information and resources on managing diabetes. So, in conclusion, managing chronic conditions can be tough, but there are plenty of things you can do to make it easier. Incorporating exercise, healthy foods, and stress management techniques can all help. And don't forget to work with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized management plan. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on the Wellness and Aging Podcast.